What's up, guys? It's the Fearless Bloxy here for like a pizza party event 2019. Just how to be able to participate in this event, which I forgot to state in the first event video. Getting the boombox backpack, which can be found in my channel. But you have to get the community launcher, which shoots out pizzas. 1 out of 4 launchers. So to be able to do all of this, you need to get the community launcher. So to get the community launcher, go to the pizza party event tab, press get your launcher, and then it's free. It's in the catalog. So yeah, just purchase it for free, and then you'll be able to find it in game. And yeah, so that's all I wanted to show you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and I will post every single tutorial for all the events. I already posted the boombox backpack, like I said. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Yeet!